Hello everyone, I Abhishek welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to add a watermark to a PDF file. So I have a sample PDF file here, so you can see that this is a sample PDF file. So if you want to add watermark to this PDF file, so how will you add? So let us see how you can do this. So just go to the Chrome browser and type a website pdfcandy.com. Now just click on this option, add watermark. Now upload the file, that PDF file here. So the file is uploaded. Now just add the watermark text. Suppose you want to add a text sample. So this will be the watermark text. Now you have to place this watermark. So you can select middle center. So it will show the watermark in the center. Now click on this button, add watermark. So it is adding the watermark and it will create a new PDF file. Now download this new PDF file and just open it. So you can see that the watermark is successfully applied. Now this was an example where you already had a PDF with you. Suppose if you are working on a Word file and you want to add watermark to that, so how will you do that? So for this we'll open a sample Word file. So I have a sample Word file here. So we can add a watermark to this Word file by going to design and then clicking on this option watermark. Just click on this arrow and select this first option. So you can see that it has applied the watermark. But if you want a custom watermark, then you can click on this custom watermark option and then choose this option text watermark. So just change the text to whatever you want to give. Suppose I want to change it to sample. Just type in the watermark text here and click OK. So now you can see that it has applied the sample watermark. If you want to save it as a PDF, you can go to File, Save As, Desktop, and just change the Save As type PDF and click Save. So it will create a PDF file with the sample watermark applied to it. So this is how you apply watermark to a PDF file. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.